Week 4 Overview. Our Week 3 discussion brought up a couple of good points. Some designs apply the work every time lay out well, and yet some did not. Well, keep in mind, although this is design basic that would work well every time, there is no need to use it every time. Also, as we discussed, new innovation of technologies can influence design in many ways, from the change in the design of computers or cell phone to the design of web page to be displayed on a mobile screen. Take some time to go back and review those points in our Week 3 discussion. I hope you got a chance to set up and clean up your Google site. Now your class participation point should be ready to view. Check out the announcement to see my approach to grading class participation and how you can maintain your participation point throughout the semester. Here, our Week 3 activities are circling around 13 layouts seen in Chapter 4. As you read the chapter, think about good and bad examples of design you've created or have seen created. Have you seen any feedbacks, like those in 72 posters of ridiculous design feedback from clients in our activity page? Check them out and tell me if you didn't laugh. Also, look at a couple quick leads on constructive feedback that would help when giving and receiving feedback. The constructive feedback table provided in this unit should help guide you when providing feedback to peers' works as well as designing your personal logo. And next week, we'll use this table in Google Form to complete your critique assignment. Importantly, personal logo assignment is due by the end of this week. Make sure your design includes your explanations of 3 elements. First, identifies your intended message or messages. Second, critically analyze your design decisions. Third, justifies your decisions in reference to your messages. Check announcement for some design inspiration that I will post. If you have any question, I suggest you to post in our open forum. I'll post my responses there and everyone can also respond to the questions. This way everyone benefits from it. Thank you and see you in our discussion forum.